In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our investment AI to determine if you have your investments allocated according to your ability to take risk. Now, like everything on our platform, you want to make sure that you have as much information in here as possible because that's going to reflect your ability to take risk. So the first things first, you want to come in here to My Money Details, Day-to-Day Money. You want to make sure that over here your income is correct because that's going to change your ability to take risk. Your income, that obviously changes your ability to take risk, as well as your expenses, because this cost of living can also change your ability to take risk as well. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that under accounts, you have your accounts in here and the information is pulling in. So for example, I have this IRA. I want to make sure that the data in here is pulling in the right tickers. If you have manually entered data in here, so let's just say your account is not linked, you want to make sure that the actual funds that you're invested in are reflected in here. So we see this a lot with 401ks. A lot of 401ks can't link. So instead of just putting the balance in, you want to make sure you input what mutual funds you have within that 401k. Because again, we want to compare here's your ability to take risk versus this is what you're actually doing. Okay. Once you have your account all up to date, including your income, your expenses, your assets, your debt, human capital as well, you want to make sure that's up to date. You come here to tools and products and you come over here to investments. From here, you can click on how should I invest my money? And you can see in here, we also summarize the information here. If you need to, like if you forgot an account in here, you can add an account in here also. What you won't see here are things like your equity in your house and that type of stuff. Don't worry, we factor all that in here as long as you have it on your profile. So again, you want to make sure that your profile is all up to date. Okay. Once you have your assets in here and everything is good to go, you can click continue. You'll be taken to this screen. And this is where you'll be showing this is your ability to take risk is here. And this is what your current allocation is. So this person can easily see I am currently taking too much risk according to what FitBUX is telling me I have the ability to take. Okay, so that is a tutorial on how to set everything up to use our AI. We'll see you in the next tutorial.